Welcome back. I hear the church chime off in the distance. Must be the 10 o'clock. Starting to thaw out from the snow apocalypse. Maybe I'll get to do some target shooting before too long. A little busy at the moment. My mother just had a hip joint replacement, so maybe a few more days. I know I got people out there waiting on a couple different type shooters, but try to get to them eventually. Most people that purchase from me are experienced shooters. I'd say they've got one or two they can use in the meantime. It's pretty amazing that the sound travels that well. It's probably maybe a couple miles in a straight line, but got a few obstacles in the way between here and there. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Everybody stay safe out there. And I will catch you next time.